Okay, so picture this. You've got a product. Maybe it's a skincare serum, a pair of sneakers, a coffee mug. Doesn't matter. You need to sell it online. And to do that properly, you need an Amazon listing with a primary image, secondary images, A+ content. You need catalog shots, lifestyle photography, maybe a product video, variations for A/B testing. And traditionally, that means hiring a creative director to set the vision, an art director to translate it into visuals, a photographer to actually shoot it, a retoucher to clean it up, and then you go back and forth on revisions for weeks. That's expensive. That's slow. And honestly, for most brands and agencies, it just doesn't scale. So when Invideo launched something that basically collapses that entire chain into a single AI agent, I had to try it. And what I'm about to show you genuinely surprised me. Oh, and before I get into it, everything I'm showing you today is completely free to try right now on Invideo. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, let's get into it. So this is called Advertising Studio. It's an AI agent built specifically for e-commerce product photography and campaign production. Because this isn't just another AI image generator where you type a prompt and hope for the best. This thing has a creative director agent built into it. You give it a product photo, you select what you need, your deliverable, and it handles everything from there. The creative decisions, the art direction, the execution, all of it, in one pass. Let me show you exactly how it works. Alright, so first things first. How do you actually get to it? You log into Invideo. I will put the link into the description. Okay, once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. This is basically the video generator interface. To find the Advertising Studio, scroll down, and you will find all the agents and models. The Advertising Studio is in the second tab in the Agents section. Click on that, and you will find all the presets of Advertising Studio. You can notice that at this moment it's completely free to use. Now the first thing you'll notice is the preset gallery. These are your deliverable types. Each one is built for a specific use case in the production pipeline. And there are a lot of them. But let's start with the one that I think is the most impressive demo, the Amazon listing pipeline. I will start with the Amazon primary image. Once you select the preset, you have to create or select an existing project. This is really amazing. Now we can create a project and keep our content organized. Alright, we are ready to create our content. I'm going to upload a raw product photo, just a plain product shot. Nothing fancy, no studio setup, no special lighting, just the product. Now, we have to add a simple prompt like, create a professional studio product photo using my product. Now we can set some settings, like the number of images and the unlimited feature. Once done, hit the generate button, and here it is. The image is ready. You can see the result. This is really a studio quality image that meets the Amazon requirements. It's clean, optimized, and built to convert on the search results page. If you're selling on Amazon, you know this image determines your click-through rate. It's the first thing a buyer sees, and now it takes about 10 seconds to produce. Once the primary image is ready, I will create the secondary image. We don't need to go back. Just click here, and you will find all the agents here. Come to the Advertising Studio and select the Amazon secondary image preset. This is where most sellers fall apart. You need 5 to 7 images per listing. Infographic style. Use case-driven, detail-rich. Each one shows a different angle, a different value proposition, and a different reason to buy. Let's see how Amazon Advertising Studio does it. I am entering a prompt and then uploading the product image. However, you will find all the prompts I used in the description box. Now, I am simply hitting the generate button, and here it is, our image is ready. And look at the quality of the image. I just love it. Now, in this method, you can create infographic images, use case-driven images, and even lifestyle images. This is great. All right, now let's create some Amazon A+ content images. Rich, branded, designed to the exact specs Amazon requires for enhanced content. I am entering the prompt, and then hit the generate button. And here is the result. Now, you can create more A+ content for Amazon in the same way. Just change the prompt and generate the image like that. Alright, now let's create some hero shots for the product. I am selecting the hero shot preset from Trend Library and then hitting the generate button. And this is our first hero shot video. It looks really professional. can grab the attention of the customer instantly. If you sell on Amazon or Shopify, you already know how much a good product video moves the needle on conversions. And this takes it from something that required a full production shoot to something you can generate in minutes. Now, if you don't like the video or want some customization, you can do it. Just click on the Attach to Prompt. For example, I want to change the environment, so I am entering the prompt. Now you can change the video generation model. Once done, hit the Generate button. After waiting for a while, I got this result. It perfectly changed the video according to my prompt. I like it. Okay, now I will create a 360-degree product video. Same flow. I'm going to select the preset, upload a product photo, a single still image, give it a brief, and hit Generate. Look at that. A fully rotating product video. From one photo. No filming, no studio, no turntable setup. The agent builds the 3D rotation from the image itself. Quick reminder, if you want to try any of this yourself, the link is in the description below. All of these presets are free to try right now on Invideo. Go ahead and test it with your own product while you're watching this. Alright, let's keep going. This next one is for anyone who's ever had to book a studio shoot for catalog or lifestyle content, because this is going to save you a lot of money. Catalog photography. I'm going to select the preset, upload the same raw product photo. Okay, look at that. That product is now placed in a lifestyle environment. The lighting, the setting, the aesthetic. It looks like it came out of a professional photo shoot. And it came from the same product photo I've been using this whole time. This is what I mean when I say the creative director agent makes different creative decisions per format. For Amazon, it's optimized and spec-driven. For Catalog, it's editorial and aspirational. The brief drives it, and it adapts. For brands and agencies doing this at scale, this is genuinely a game changer. And then, and this is really useful if you're running paid ads, Thematic A/B variations. You give the agent the same product and brief, and it generates multiple visual styles from different creative directions. So you end up with, say, a warm, earthy aesthetic, a minimalist, clean aesthetic, and a bold high contrast aesthetic. Befell from the same product, all ready to split test. No more guessing which creative is going to perform. You've got variations ready to go from day one, and there's actually a lot more in the preset gallery that I haven't even touched on. Mockup generator, and a bunch of other formats that cover different parts of the production pipeline. I'd encourage you to just go browse the gallery yourself, because honestly, the range of what this covers is pretty impressive. From Amazon to social to video to mockups, it's the full pipeline, all in one place. Here's what I think makes Advertising Studio genuinely different from most AI tools out there. With a standard AI image tool, you've still got to be the creative director yourself. You're writing prompts, tweaking them, trying different variations, figuring out the right style, and that takes time and skill. Most people don't get great results because they don't know how to prompt properly. Advertising Studio flips that. The creative director is already built in. You give it direction in natural language, the way you'd talk to a real person, and it handles the creative and execution layer for you. For agencies, that means you can deliver more for clients without growing your team. For brands, it means you're not dependent on expensive production cycles every time you need new assets. You get 10 times the output with the same team. That's the pitch. And from what I've seen, it delivers. So here's where I land on this. If you're selling on Amazon or Shopify, running ad campaigns, managing a brand, or producing content for clients, Advertising Studio is worth your time. Genuinely. You can try it completely free right now on Invideo. The link is in the description. Go brief the creative director agent with your own product and see what it produces. I think you'll be surprised. That's it for this one. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. Drop a comment below if you end up trying Advertising Studio, and I'll see you in the next one.